Today we're gonna talk about this hot mess on my head. One of the biggest questions I get is how I keep my hair prolonged 4 to 5 days in between washes and how I keep it refreshed, smelling good, not icky, not gross, not greasy, not oily, all those good questions. This is how I refresh my hair after the gym. So the reason why I don't wash my hair every single day is because the texture of my hair is really thin and it's actually very silky and I don't have that much hair. So it might look like I do, but my hair is actually really fine because I do create volume. That creates the illusion that I have more hair than I really do. So if I wash my hair every single day, that was my biggest issue. My hair was so weighed down. It was so oily. It was producing extra oils. So that's why I can actually go now 4 to 5 days in between washes and keep my hair refreshed, keep it healthy. My hair has been doing amazing. This is definitely not for everybody. If you have a condition that you have to wash your hair every single day, I can't really help you with that. And if you are a hater and telling me I need to wash my hair every single day because I'm gross, I can't help you with that either. Sorry. So my routine is actually very simple. I come home after the gym, I throw in a quick headband, jump into the shower, wash off my body, get out of the shower, moisturize my body, and then put on some quick makeup because I hate wearing makeup to the gym. This usually takes less than 5 minutes, and then I quickly refresh my hair. Like I said, that usually takes 5 to 7 minutes, depending if I'm gonna curl it or straighten it afterwards. So let's just quickly jump in and see how crazy of a mess my hair is. So this right here is what I have to work with. So most of my oils that I can see right away is around my face and then in the back of my head, underneath, and usually on the crown as well. So this right here is what I'm gonna be using today. And this is the Revlon hairbrush hair dryer. I actually reviewed this not that long ago and it literally blew my mind. It was amazing and it has changed my hair life drastically for the better. If you don't have one, I think you should get one because it's amazing. But if you don't have one, you can just use a regular hair dryer and just blow dry your hair until it's completely dry, because then we're gonna move on to the dry shampoo. And you don't wanna put dry shampoo into wet or damp hair. And I'm going to use it on the lowest heat setting just because my hair is not soaking wet. It's just a little bit damp on the roots. So many of you ask questions if this hair dryer gets to the roots, and yes, that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm rotating the hairbrush back and forth close to the roots because that's where it is a little bit damp. It already looks a million times better than it was. It's sleek, it has volume, and with the dry shampoo, I actually don't apply it every single day until I wash my hair. I usually start applying it on the 3rd or 4th day, depending how my hair looks, because I think that's way too much product in my hair. All right. So that's the gist on the dry shampoo and how often I apply it. Today's dry shampoo, I'm actually testing some healthy formulas, so I can't really mention who or where they're from, but I can mention a really great dry shampoo that I've been loving lately, and this is the Briogeo Scalp Revival. This is a healthier shampoo because it's not an aerosol can, but it does have some fragrance. So I know for a lot of people, either you're allergic or you can't handle it, but this one is amazing. It comes with a squeezy application bottle. products, but that's not what I'm using today. So I just want to give you an option that I think you'll really, really like. So let's move on to the dry shampoo. I'm actually going to add it, kind of flip my hair over and apply it to the back of my head, a little bit towards the middle of my head. And then I'm going to add some to my crown. And then I'm going to take little sections and apply it areas right here very gently. I hate applications like this, the worst. They get everywhere and you waste so much product, but this formula is amazing so far. Now I'll wait 20 to 30 seconds to kind of let it soak, do its magic, and then I'm gonna take my fingers and brush it into my roots and scalp very gently, and then I'm gonna brush it out with an actual hairbrush. All right, 30 seconds have passed. I put my black sweater back on because it would have been white if I didn't take it off. And I'm just gonna gently rub my roots, making sure the dry shampoo is distributed. And this feels so good. I really like this formula because usually natural dry shampoos on me, they create this crazy texture as if I can't even brush my fingers through my hair. This, as you guys can see, is so easy to do. Oh, it's a good formula. It's very gentle, it has essential oils. I'm excited. And then I'll take my hairbrush, this is by the brand Denman, and I'll gently brush out my hair. I mean, look at that. So good. So the last step, because with these types of dry shampoos, the loose powder formula, sometimes it can get stuck in your scalp, even when you do brush it out with your fingers. So what I do next, I take a little makeup brush. This is by Real Techniques. This is their setting brush. It has to be clean, make sure there's no makeup on it. So what I do is I gently just take it and kind of swirl it on my roots into my hair. And I do this in areas where I think I'm gonna be partying that day, just because I do like to switch up my partying throughout the day. I just make sure I just kind of hit it at the top of my head and just around the parameters of my face. Just make sure it's all blended. And there we have it, how I refresh my hair after the gym in 5 to 7 minutes. I know this video is not for everyone, but if it is for you, I hope you got something out of it, maybe some tips and tricks on how to keep your hair refreshed throughout the days in between your shampoos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.